Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with another special one. We're here with another promotional video. So this one is Rastan. I reacted to Rastan last time. So we're here again with another Rastan. Big up yourself, sir. Reaching out and say, yo, next video. So we're there. So Rastan Better Life. Rastan Better Life. Guys, I'm going to leave a link to his channel down in the description. He has some really positive and conscious music over there. So if you are one of the type that want to just chill out sometime and listen to some conscious music, you can go over there and give him a follow, give him a sub, make him know, say, yo, 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 send you. I'm going to leave a link to the disc track as well in the comment section. It's going to be pinned at the top of the comment section. So you can go over there, tell him what you think about the song yourself. You understand? So, without further delay, let's get into this one. Rastan with Better Life. Let's go.
I will the right so for your production. I do better life and the better life. Oh, yeah.
Pull up. Asa! Yo! Hold on, ease up. Them thing, yeah. Yo, this start night. Rastan Records. So it produced by himself. Okay. We like this already, and it just started. The rhythm just start, bro. Give me the energy, you know. Let's go.
I will the right so for your production.
More fire.
Better life and the better life. Oh, yeah. I just live it, you know. To the system we become a victim, and we leaders cannot ever fix things.
To a system, we become a victim, and the leaders cannot fix him. We know that the leaders are in it for themselves. They're not business about poor people. They're not business about we down here. They're business about themselves. Only time we see them when they want to vote. So the GS said that, Rastan, me just start the reaction. Me have a problem. With them singing Rastan, we need videos. We need visuals. Yeah, we need visuals. With these songs, we need visuals, my G. You understand, you say? Yeah, big up yourself. Let's go again. Pull up, man. Pull up again.
I will
Hurry up. Let's go.
To the system we become a victim, and we leaders cannot ever fix things. What's the purpose? When them do everything just to hurt us.
What the purpose? Them do everything just for hurt us. What the purpose? What them they are for? What them say my lead? What them a lead? Them a lead some people go straight. Not me. Me have my head screwed on. Me clued up. Not me. Never voted in my life and me not vote neither. Me not vote, ne?
When them do everything just to hurt us. Them no see. No for them out there. Them a make them big speech. No more them can't even preach peace. When the interest is only for Wall Street.
Yo, not for them artists, not for them politicians out there. We sit in a parliament and use some big words, some big speech. So we, the poor people, can't understand. Because not for we not go school. Not for we not know them big words, they mean and them thing there. Them chat any shit. And we now, yeah. And them in a parliament and I beat this. So we move the bomb clat. We go, man. Roads.
When the interest is only for Wall Street. You know see them dirty little puddle. You know see how them a create struggle.
You don't see them little dirty puggle. You don't see them dirty water. You don't see them dirty ways. You don't see them dirty style. You don't see them a create struggle. And them a create crime. You don't see them somewhere there. Eh? I'm still a go vote and knock pan about green and orange. Hold up move. Not become a rare orange. Me no business about party. This a color. My color this. Me like bright colors. Me no business about PMP and me no business. Me no vote in my life. I'm not vote. No?
You know see them dirty little puddle. You know see how them a create struggle. You Human race, you not try minimize with them deception and them lies. Yeah.
A human race, them a try wipe out, them a try kill out the human race, the black race. Them a try do that. Them been trying that for decades, centuries. Them a try, yeah.
Minimize with them deception and them lies. Yeah. You take we hope and we dreams just a joke. You put we life under microscope. You wouldn't mind say we fan tribe support. Your leadership is a joke.
You wouldn't mind say we fan tribe support. Remember say your leadership is a joke, you know. Remember say no for we say on a leader and on this a party leader and that the party leader and that the country leader there. Remember say no. I don't know wife are beating on the yard with jazz, you know. Remember say no can't lead nothing, you know. Members enough on sleep with man to enough. Yeah, that's a different story. Let's go.
Support. Your leadership is a joke.
A joke.
How about increase a better liberty and make we earn rebate? Instead of the diseases that you spread, we know we find no finger. Don't make you stand up girl and linger. Yeah, I watch you treat the youth like puppet and a string dog. Come at the podium with the media.
Yeah, for real. Sound like a fucking first class idiot. Eh? You sound like an educated dunce. Move from about good morning. Move from the know why you're the morning from you. More think like a shit. Move.
The youth are puppet and a string dog. Come at the podium with the media. Good morning. Sound like a first class idiot. Who do not see that? Yeah. We want a better life. Yes, we want some better life. We want some better life. Yes, we want some better life.
Want a better life, you want some better life, bro. You cannot do much more than one do for poor people. But here, when time the people them poor, you don't like see them thing there, no. You don't like see them thing there, have them in a little grasp, you know? Yeah, so you can do things to control them, and that you don't like do.
We want some better life, yes, we want some better life. You want scope, we all be done, kind of satellite. How we young women hungry and night. Want some better life, want some better rights. Want some better life, want some better rights. You want scope, we out with all kind of satellite. And you them
I'm saying, you scope you out with all type of satellite, that's a joke.
You want scope, we out with
you are, okay.
And you never go out and bed hungry at night.
You never got in bed hungry at night, man. And a joke.
Some better life, some better life, some better right.
Yeah.
Some better life, some better life, some better right. We have the rights, we want better life, so we want. Clear that, we say. You have to sitting in silence when them promoting violence.
Sure.
Tell me what is your compliance? Do you have any guidance? Then you corner, coming like them hot like a sauna. You don't have to do a man nothing for him, can ya?
You don't have to do a man nothing for him, can ya? You can be innocent, sitting on my... Listen to me. Getting off of your bed, going to your bathroom, getting ready, leaving the house a man in time, that's a risk. You don't have to do a man nothing for him, can you? Nothing at all for him, can you?
Them hot like a sauna. You don't have to do a man nothing for him, can ya? You see the type of gun you bring from the corner. Just watch for your karma.
Yeah, man, the gun will not issue out in a politician. At decades, when I do it, you know. The gun, them guns, they wanna issue out to no dance. At decades, when I do it. How we know?
Not even queen can deal without the karma. Me no want for your gun or your armor.
Me no want it.
Give me some blank when me got on in Obama. Me can't live without the blue steel. But me can't live without a real meal.
Me can live without the blue steel. Me can live without the gun. Me can live without the matic. But me cannot live without what? Meal. Food. Eh?
Blue steel. But me can't live without a real meal. This is how me feel. Politician, you feel know what is real. You never be so much yes and don't complete a project. How you feel run a office without a concept.
Oh, But if you run an office without a concept, you go in for so long and make all these broken promises and nothing no fulfill. I know the little idiot next party now, we're out now, we try come in now, we sell the people them the same sad story, and people out there do the same sad dance, and I know sad trick, them get sad trick. No sad.
Complete a project. How you feel run a office without a concept? Everybody round you have them mindset, but you are sell out the country to one set. Work we seeking, but we can't get. When we find it, it's safe is the mindset. Fast get vexed when if we sign that they change. Oh God, what a mess.
Two things, boss boy. I'm gonna get vexed for. Two things. It depends on the boss still. Number one, when I reach a work late, them vex up them face. And when them for sign a check a week time or 2 week time or a month time, you see them start shut up for you, so I'm gonna make up some excuse. You don't know, make it up. Boy, give me money for me chop you out of your clothes. Now! Give me money, think my work for free? Eh? I want money. I'm a cloud, oh no.
Oh God, what a mess. We want a better life, yes, we want some better life. We want some better life, yes, we want some better life. Want some better life, yes, we want some better life. Want some better life. Rasta, yeah. Better life. Better life.
I like this still. I like this. This is a vibe. Rastan, this is a vibe, dog. No joke. A lot. This is a vibe. Big up yourself. This is a vibe. My thing is though, we need music videos for tracks like these. These tracks are sentimental to the system. To what go on nowadays. You burn out who burn out. You see me? You burn out who burn out, man. So we need to see the emotion on your face and do them thing. You see me? Yeah. Cause the system fuck up. It fuck up for real, for real. Guys, me like that song. No go on. No joke. Me like that one. Me like that one. Rastan, big up yourself. Me like this. Me like this. Guys, if you don't feel the same and can relate, remember, you know, 90% of people in Jamaica right now, all over the world, to be honest. I live hand to mouth, you know. I live hand to mouth, paycheck to paycheck, you know, I'm not joking, you know. You see me? The system design and we so you work from your left school, you work until you're dead without and still whore. Even if you get a little house, you go home marriage. I saw the system design, you know. But yeah, we're gonna leave a link to that track here in the comment section. It's gonna be pinned at the top of the comment section. So you can go over there, tell him say you're missing you, and drop some views on it, man. Me surprised that this don't have more views. We need more views on them songs. Them songs are out there because these songs are messages. Live longevity songs. Longevity songs that will never be stale. You understand? So yeah, big up on yourself still. This is how I'm gonna leave the one here. If you enjoy the one I want to see more from a G, leave a like on the video. Subscribe around there if you're new. And I will see you. Yeah, I will see you in the next one. Peace.
Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst game, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.